You need to understand millionaire math. And I promise you, if somebody would have told me this while I was a senior in high school, I would have been a millionaire before my first year in college. Number one is you have to disconnect your revenue generation from time, because that is exactly how they get us. They try to anchor your revenue generation with time, and they do that in the form of dollars per hour. The reason we need to do this is because your time is forever limited, and we want to be able to make unlimited wealth. And honestly, if you don't have that mindset, I don't have the time in this video to convince you. So you're gonna need a product. It needs to be something that you can build once and sell unlimited times. And yes, you're gonna have to put time into building something the first time, but you're not gonna have to build it every time somebody buys it. We're gonna reverse engineer this from $1 million, because this is literally 10 years of income for the average American. All you would need to do is get 50,000 customers for something that costs $20. For the sake of this video, we're gonna say that the product is an ebook, so it hits the target of build once, sell unlimited times. And the first question that hits everybody's mind is, I don't know how to get 50,000 customers. And I like this quote that says, if you ask disempowering questions, you cannot find empowering answers. So instead of saying, I don't know how to get 50,000 customers, you need to start asking how you're going to get 50,000 customers. And here's where some serious millionaire math comes into play. If 50,000 sounds like too big of a number, all you have to do is this. Add 1 0 to the 20, and that takes away a 0 from the 50,000, making it 5,000. So now you only need 5,000 customers to make $1 million. And if you build a really good product right off the bat, people are going to be more willing to pay you more money per person. For example, instead of selling an ebook for $20, you could take the information in your ebook and turn it into a coaching community where you actually coach people live on how to do what you're explaining in your book. People are going to be way more interested in paying you $200 than $20 for just a simple book. Obviously, that's if you can provide real results to them. And since thousands of people have already proven that this formula works, the next step is to add another 0, making your product price $2,000. But guess what? That knocks off another 0 of the 50,000. Now we're down to 500 customers, and you're still making $1 million. So you've proven that your product has worked because people loved your book, and then you started coaching them live and proven that it's worth $200. And now for this $2,000, you can actually start mentoring people on the information that was in that original book. So your product hardly changed. All you did was changed your price and the level of guidance that you're providing. This is an extremely simple breakdown, but millionaires do their math in this way. They are thinking, what is the fastest way that I can make this $1 million?